Alden with short update. Yung morning run ni Alden, kasama niya yung mga ka-teammates niya. 6.5 km ang tinakbo ni Alden. Yan, grabe yan, sa loob ng 49 minutes. Napadalas ang morning run ni Alden, pagja-jogging. So, umaga. Ito sa post ng Bello Medical Group. And during Bello Baby Birthday Bash. Ang gwapo pa nga ni Alden, yung paglabas ng kotse. Ito pa, yung commercial nila Alden at Julia for Casino Plus.
Fun, exciting, and colorful.
Color game?
Yes!
Dahil mahalaga kayo sa amin.
We constantly evolve. Introducing Color Games, where the fun you're looking for is within reach.
Pwedeng maglaro kahit saan, kahit kailan.
Your happiness is our mission.
At sa bagong jackpot mechanics, may chance na manalo up to 10 million pesos.
Grabe yung
Color
papelyo.
your dream.
Color your life. Keep it fun.
Play responsibly.
Alden at Julia, yung ambassador. Kasi ito pa yung abangan bukas. 7 PM. With Alden Richard, yung pa yung mga kasama ni Alden. And sa lunch ng Bido, B50. Ang bagong labas yan, Vivo P50 5G with Alden. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Victor Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.